What is up, everybody? Dan the Fireman. There's a brand new booklet out right now. It's going to help you out with your slow speed maneuvers. So if you're just now starting to get into riding motorcycles and maybe you bought one and you want to take your endorsement test, figure eights, U-turns, all that stuff's kind of weird, a little bit difficult. Well, here's a fun way of doing it, and it's the Smart Rider game. So you only need 10 cones, which there is a cone kit available on the store, and it's a very simple setup right here. I tell you how to do it, and the cool thing is on every page there is a QR code that you can scan, and it'll show you a video of me actually doing the exercise or setting up in this instance. So a bunch of beginner exercises for those of you that are just brand new and starting out, but as you progress with your skill set, it becomes a little bit harder. This is the easies right here, and then we got some moderates right here, and then we have some hard ones towards the back. Now these ones are a lot more fun. You can get some speed, practice your braking, practice your turns, practice your head and eye movement and everything, but it'll help you out when you're going into the MSF. So if you're a brand new rider and you want to get your endorsement, maybe you're a friend or you have a motorcycle and you don't have endorsement, you'd rather take the MSF, well, you might be a little bit nervous. So practice some of these before you go into there. You're going to look like an actual rider, not a brand new rider, or if you just want to go and get your endorsement at the DMV, this will help you and set you up for success. Also, there's so many reasons why, but the main one is just having fun. So take your friends out. If you both have motorcycles or bicycles, time each other with a stopwatch or your phone, film it, and then post it online. But yeah, this is available right now, so check it out. Links in the description. There is a discount right now called Game Time. It's gonna give you some nice little 15% off the booklet. It comes with a digital version too. I wanted to point that out, is that once you get the physical, there is a digital version too just by itself, but when you get the physical, you can actually get the downloadable right here, and just like the booklet, if you scan the QR code, it's going to take you to the video right there. So a lot of fun. I enjoy it. I practice it every single week. It helps me out and gets me a little bit more familiar with my bike over and over and over again. And if I ever get a new bike, this is the best way to bond with it. But with that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you guys on the next live stream.